Happy 70th birthday, Tita Gay.
Happy birthday! I know, sobrang saya mo today. And thank you so much for inviting me sa birthday mo. Unfortunately, I can't come. But I'm very happy that Ella invited me to make this video message. So I really wanted to greet you happy birthday. Please stay healthy, stay beautiful, stay young. I love you, we love you, maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. And mag-iingat kayo palagi ni Dad. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, Mami Ligaya! Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Lola Gay.
Happy 70th birthday!
Happy 70th birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola Gay!
Happy birthday!
Hello, Auntie Ligaya.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tis.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, guys! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!